guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm showing you guys everything that I'll be using today, and I'm gonna have everything linked in the description. And if you're wondering why I have two of the same little brow pencil thing, brow brushes, it's because I use one for concealer and one for the pomade. So now you can see that I'm combing out my eyebrows, trying to get them in the direction I want them to. And yes, I know they're not waxed, okay, but I haven't been to the nail salon in forever, and I'm sorry, I don't want to use $8 and I'm not going anywhere. So now you see I'm taking my brow pomade, and all you're doing is trying to get the shape of it, but don't go down too far and don't go up too high. But I'm just following the line. This is where I would go like harder, and I start from the middle. So you see me trying to catch the drift of like what I'm trying to do. But I'm just gonna move this real slow so y'all can understand what I'm doing. Okay, so now I've done the bottom part, and now I'm gonna do the top. So I start from the top in the middle as well. This is the only part that I go really hard on, okay? And then if you want to, this is where you would fill in the end of the eyebrow tail. And then I simply go towards the front, but very lightly. So then it's like, not ombre, but just fades into itself. And that's all you're doing, shading in now. Okay, let's be real. I know you see that forming. Okay, just keep blending. Blend, 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 blend. So now is the point where I go in with my spoolie to blend it out some more, which is also what I started with when I was like trying to get the shape of my brow, and this makes it look real natural. But I wasn't going for like a harsh brow, and it was also kind of like, I don't know, 2 a.m. in the morning when I decided to film this, so I wasn't going anywhere. I was wiping these off right after, but in my opinion they look pretty good. Alright, so this is the point where I started my other brow. You're doing the same thing. But my only issue was like when I was trying to do it and record, I was looking at the mirror camera. And then sometimes using my camera, so it was like, So, of course, it takes time to learn your eyebrows. Sometimes it's going to turn out better than others. And of course, when I record it, it doesn't turn out as well as when I'm just looking at the mirror by myself. But you see, I tried to form it up. Okay, so these eyebrows are sisters. Don't roast me. Thank you. Remember, not too harsh. All you're doing is blending it a bit. And you see it on the bottom is like where it's like a little more harsh. But we're going to get rid of that. Okay. And this is what they're looking like so far. Okay, just a little bit. We're getting somewhere. And also, remember, this is 2 a.m. and my edges need a little help. Don't roast me, please. time for the concealer, where you get to fix all of your mistakes. I got this from Clinique, and I'll have all the details in the description. And as you saw, I had the little bit, that little dot for the foundation. No, for the concealer. I'm sorry. So now you see, all I'm doing is a line under my brow. All you have to do is follow it. And right now is the moment where I realize I messed up. Okay? This brow in particular, as you can see, it needs to be combed up more. I don't know what I was doing with. Like right at the beginning of the brow is going a whole nother direction, which just messed up the whole thing. And I didn't realize it once I finished filming. So that's the only reason that it's not showing at the end, like both of them side by side, because that's what you can tell looks just off. Because I was like, these brows look a little off. That's exactly why. I should have combed it up. Like where I'm touching right now, right under that, I should have combed it up. Anyways, let's keep going. Okay, so right here with the concealer, I bring it down, and then that's where you do it more so like when you first do it, because then it's almost like it doesn't want to move, but you bring it down, and then this is where you would use like a blending brush or a blending sponge just to like get out all of that, like so it's not so harsh, but so it's all blended into your skin. Okay, but this is the end of this video, and I did the other eyebrow off camera. I hope y'all liked it. Bye.